When it comes to building a website, choosing the right website builder can be a daunting task. In this tutorial, we will explore 3 popular website builders: Wix Studio, Framer, and Squarespace. Each of these platforms has its unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. First, let's start with Wix Studio. Wix is a well-established website builder that offers a wide range of templates and drag-and-drop tools. It is ideal for small businesses, bloggers, and individuals who want to create a simple website quickly. Wix Studio is a more advanced version of Wix, offering more features and flexibility for web designers and agencies. Next, we have Framer, which is a more advanced website builder that focuses on design and prototyping. Framer is ideal for web designers and developers who want to create custom and interactive websites. It offers a range of tools and features that allow for complex animations, interactions, and layouts. Lastly, we have Squarespace, which is a popular website builder that focuses on design and elegance. Squarespace is ideal for creatives, such as photographers, artists, and writers, who want to create a visually stunning website. It offers a range of templates and design tools that make it easy to create a beautiful website. So, which website builder should you choose? If you are a beginner or a small business owner, Wix Studio may be the best option for you. If you are a web designer or developer, Framer may be the best choice. And if you are a creative, Squarespace may be the way to go. When choosing a website builder, consider your goals, skills, and budget. Think about the type of website you want to create, the features you need, and the level of customization you require. Also, consider the cost, scalability, and customer support offered by each platform. In conclusion, Wix Studio, Framer, and Squarespace are all powerful website builders that can help you create a professional website. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, you can make an informed decision and choose the best website builder for your needs. Remember to consider your goals, skills, and budget, and don't be afraid to try out each platform before making a final decision.